In today's video, we are going to show you how to share a Milanote board so you can collaborate with your team or send it to clients in just a few clicks. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Go to your dashboard, make sure you are on the homepage, and open the board you want to share. Now, I want you to click the share button on the top corner, because this opens the sharing options for your board. Now, the invite people by mail is by entering their email address and choose whether they can view or edit the board. It's up to you. You can also get a shareable link by clicking this toggle on, copy that link. Now you can send it via email, chat, or social media. Remember, before sending, choose the permission level. You can choose the can view, they can only see the board, or can edit, wherein they can make changes and collaborate. Now you want to make sure you select the right option based on who you are sharing with. Now what I'm gonna do right now is click the copy link. I am going to share this via Telegram, and you can also use any social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, and a lot more. I'm gonna press enter, and basically that's it. Your Milanote board is now shared. And basically that's how easy it is to share a Milanote board. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.